What's up, everybody? Today, I'm super excited to share with you DJSupplyStore.com. We're going to talk about it right now. What's going on, everybody? Justin Schwartz here, founder of the DJs Guru and also DJSupplyStore.com, coming at you as always from the lovely DJs Guru studio. And today, as I told you in the intro, we're excited to introduce to you DJSupplyStore.com. And what is DJSupplyStore.com? Pretty simple, right? Pretty self-explanatory, but it's a store where you buy DJ supply. But what store is it? It's our store, and it's a store that works with us here at the DJs Guru. We have created this site for our audience and for our members here at the DJs Guru to go and have a great transparent experience, get easy discounts, and also everything that we talk about at the DJs Guru is available here at DJ Supply Store. So what do we have at DJSupplyStore.com? Really simple. Have you been watching us on the DJs Guru at the DJsGuru.com? Everything that we do there, all of the brands that we carry there, everything that we highlight there is available, plus so much more. So we're talking powered speakers, lighting like uplighting, moving heads, effect lighting, column array systems, line array systems, subwoofers, microphones, basically anything that a DJ, an event professional, a musician could need to do their gig. And these are mobile musicians that we're talking about looking for pro audio, and we have everything as far as those categories that you're gonna need, with all the brands that you've come to know and love. So what brands are we talking about? We're talking about famous brands like Pioneer DJ, Denon DJ, Newmark, Rain, RCF, Mackie, Yamaha, Electro Voice, American DJ or ADJ, Lighting, Shove DJ and Professional, Yorkville, Pro X Cases, LD Systems, of course Ape Labs, right? Gravity stands, ultimate support, and our own brand of cable, Square Cable, plus so much more. You're going to know every brand that we carry, and even some that maybe you haven't heard of that I can assure you are going to be great quality and a great buy for you. All right, so how do you pay, right? How are we paying on DJSupplyStore.com? Real simple, credit or debit card, PayPal, and then we have two financing options. We have PayPal credit if you need a 0%, and then we also offer a firm which lets you go out to 12 months. So you can get a great deal, plus get time to pay with our financing options, or just pay with your credit or debit card. Now, how do you buy? So this is where we come into play here at the DJs Guru, and where the concierge style of sales comes into it, because concierge sales is no agenda. So if you know exactly what you want, very simple. You go to DJSupplyStore.com, go through the categories, or you use the search. You find your item, you add it to your cart, and then you type in code SAVE, and you're gonna get a discount off of almost everything on the website. No questions asked. You know what you want, here's the price, great discount, very aggressive discount, and you go, you buy, free shipping on most items, and we ship out fast, real-time inventory, everything is there for you to see. Now, let's say you don't know what you want, or you know part of what you want, but you don't know everything that you need for it to work. And that's really what we've done here, and what I've done personally for such a long time, is help to accessorize and make sure that you have everything that you need, so that when you get it, it's gonna work exactly how you want it. So if that's the case, use our contact form on DJSupplyStore.com, talk to our sales department, and you ask any question that you have. We're happy to put something together for you, send you a custom quote, and get you everything that you need on one transaction without having to just go on a website and order it. Some people love that, but some people like the personalized attention. So you can reach out to us through our contact form or our chat on DJSupplyStore.com if you need help. You can also call us on the phone at 888-378-1744. So those are the ways to buy. Either you go and you just buy with code SAVE, or you reach out to us. We're always here to help. And those are the ways that we're gonna be able to help you out and help you to make a purchase at DJSupplyStore.com. All right, everybody, so I think we've said it all. That's DJSupplyStore.com. Everything that we do here at the DJs Guru is supported by sales made through DJSupplyStore.com. We really appreciate that support. Listen, if there's anything that we can do to help you, we're really trying to build something here for DJs, for event professionals, something that's organic and transparent, that makes sense. Please drop your comments down below, or reach out to us at thedjsguru.com or DJSupplyStore.com, and we'll always be there to help you out. Thanks so much for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. And like I always like to say, we'll see you on the flip side. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.